Hi, 7th graders. This video is to help you on your math on Wednesday, May 27th. Hopefully this helps. We're in section 10.2. Probability is the title. May 27th is our date. So the first thing we need to realize is what is probability and why does it matter to me right now in math? So one example that you're going to see in your Google Doc is something like this. Say this is the number 6, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. And you were to spin it. Now it might ask you, what is the probability of spinning on a 6? Okay, let's start. It's going to be a fraction and a percentage, by the way. Okay, let's get into it. How many pieces are on the wheel? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You basically have 6 chances of getting something. So that's going to be your denominator. How many 6s are there? 1, 2. There's 2. You have a 2/6 chance of getting a 6. To find the percentage, you would just do this divided by that. You can use a calculator. I have this memorized. It's 0.33 repeated, which is 33%. So you have a 2/6 chance or 0.33 or 33% of rolling a 6. So let me break it down if that was confusing for you. So the fraction, so the numerator and the denominator is your chance over total chances. Let's do another one. Say you're playing heads and tails with a quarter. You're watching the Super Bowl. They flip a coin before. One side is heads, one side is tails. Let's start with the denominator. How many total chances how many sides of the coin are there? There's 2. Say you call tails because the saying goes, tails never fails. How many tails are there? How many options do you have? What are your chances? 1. There's only 1 tails. So you have a 1/2 chance, or you can do 1 divided by 2. You have a 50% chance of getting a tails. And the same would go for getting a head. So when you're in your work, your answer is going to be a fraction of some sort. So let's do another one. This will probably be our last one. Say there's a dice. Okay, how many sides are on a dice? That would be your bottom denominator. 6. So one side, it would be like this. There's a 1, there's a 2, there's a 3, there's a 4. I think the 5 looks like this, if I remember. Okay, those are your chances. So there's 6 different numbers on the dice. That's why our denominator is 6. So someone might go, I bet you can't roll a 2. Okay, what? Okay, I'd first tell them, calm down. How many 2s are there? What's our actual chance? There's only 1 2. So that's our numerator. We have a 1/6 chance. If you want to be fancy pants, you have a 16% chance of rolling a 2. That's pretty low, by the way. Something in real life that we use probability is in sports with batting average, free throw percentage, average mile time. Your PE teachers use to try to determine whether you're going to run fast or not, and the weather. So they might say there's a 20% chance of rain today. Oh, it's going to rain. Well, wait a minute. So 20% is yes, it will rain. 80% would be no, it's not going to rain, because it always has to equal 100. So out of 100 days, it would rain 20 of the days, but it would not rain 80 of the days. So it probably most likely, because of probability, will not rain. Let me summarize this again. Probability is your chance of getting something. On your Google Doc, you're going to have a spinner. The denominator is the total chances. The numerator is your chances. If you want to be a fancy pants, you can convert your fraction to a decimal by dividing, and then you multiply by 100 to get your percentage. For my thing, just a fraction is good enough. We can also use it with a dice. We also use probability with weather. Hope this video helped. See you next time.